The school field trip chaperone confiscated a kid's backpack, swept the entire bus for threats, and handed out juice boxes without once looking away from the parking lot. His name was Victor Graves. Eli had never seen a chaperone do that, or hold a permission slip clipboard like it was classified intelligence. Eli thought the scariest part of today was his worksheet. The bus hadn't even parked before Victor had already mapped 3 exit routes from the museum entrance. Eli just wanted to see the dinosaurs. Victor stepped off bus 3 first. Didn't wait. Didn't blink. He scanned the front steps the way Eli had seen security guards do in movies, except those guys looked bored. Victor looked like he was calculating something.
Welcome. How many students?
When did your morning staff rotate in? Excuse me.
Eli
I'd
watched
like some
the ticket
information
taker's
about your staff
smile go
rotation
confused.
schedules.
Don't mind him. We're here for the field trip. 24 students, all accounted for.
Victor did not mean 24 students. He made the entire class enter in a staggered formation. 2 kids, gap. 3 kids, gap. Like they were clearing a building instead of paying for a museum. Eli tried to ask which way the Cretaceous wing was. Victor handed him a laminated emergency exit map without
it's
looking
not a
down.
guide to the exhibits.
There was a man near the Roman statue exhibit. Dark jacket, hands in pockets, standing very still. Victor rerouted the entire class through the gift shop in under 15 seconds. No explanation, just a hand gesture, and the whole group was suddenly surrounded by refrigerator magnets and dinosaur plushies. Ms. Okafor pulled Eli aside and whispered,
Don't make eye contact. His interactive safety education starts now.
"It's actually very impressive." Eli looked at her, then at Victor, then back at her. He did not say anything because he didn't know where to start. Then a second man walked in through the side entrance. Dark coat. He made direct eye contact with Victor across the entire atrium. Victor's face did not move. He just quietly shifted 2 steps left, reached out, and moved Eli behind the Triceratops skeleton without a word.
Stay here.
Calm, flat, final. And Eli understood, with complete certainty, that the worksheet was the least of his problems today. If you were Eli right now, hiding behind a Triceratops skeleton while Victor stares down a guy in a dark coat, do you trust Victor? Or do you bolt for the gift shop? Drop your answer in the comments below. Because whatever Eli decides next, things are about to get a lot harder to explain to Ms. Okafor. Snack break. That's when everything went sideways. Marcus knocked over the concession cart, reaching for nachos. Full tray, full cart, nacho cheese across 12 square feet of museum floor. Nobody planned it. Victor definitely didn't plan it. But the first guy in the dark jacket hit that cheese at full stride and went down like he'd been swept. Victor didn't even look. He was already moving toward the second one, the man from the atrium, while simultaneously pointing at 3 kids drifting toward the gift
Buddy
shop.
system. 2 per group. Now.
The kids grabbed partners. The second man froze, confused by the sudden movement of 24 middle schoolers reorganizing around him like a school of fish. Victor walked straight through the gap and redirected him. 1 hand, 1 clipboard, 1 very calm sentence Eli couldn't hear. Directly into the costume closet behind the fossil display. The door clicked shut. The museum's dinosaur mascot costume was in that closet. Eli did not ask questions. Then somebody started running. The first guy, back on his feet, heading for the side exit. Victor turned to Ms. Okafor and said,
Cross-street pursuit. Group stays together.
There was a crosswalk. Victor stopped. Every student stopped. The man actually slowed down, looked back, looked at the crosswalk signal, kept going. Victor waited for the walk signal, crossed with the group. The pursuit ended there, which Eli thought was somehow the funniest and most terrifying thing he had ever witnessed. From the bus, the principal called the school
live-action
board.
safety demonstration I've ever seen. Real commitment to the bit.
On the ride back, Victor handed Eli his juice box
Good perimeter awareness today.
and went back to scanning the parking lot. Eli looked down at his worksheet. Never presented, never graded, completely irrelevant. And then looked at the participation rubric Ms. Okafor was filling out. He got an A. Victor got hired as a substitute for next Thursday. Subscribe for more of this chaos and watch the next one. Your substitute teacher used to work for the government.